Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to take the Liberty for its first drive. Let's do it. Alright guys, we've got something missing here. We need to put that battery in there and tie it down. So, let's do that. Alright, the battery is in. Let's get some fuel in. We haven't put any extra fuel in since we bought it. So we've got 5 litres of 98 octane, so let's get it in the car, we'll get the things off the roof, and we'll get her out. Alright, while we fill this up, there's a few things behind the car that I need to move out of the way. I've got the Bilstein original shocks, and jack handle and stuff like that. Gotta make sure that all the lights work. It is dark outside now, so I'll check the tyre pressure as well. This front right one that was flat, it's still sitting at 35, so pretty happy with that, but it wasn't on the car, so it hasn't had any pressure on it to force any air out really. Alright, an extra 5 litres after probably no fuel since March this year, March 24. Alright, so this tyre pressure gauge was actually in the car. What are we at? 36. Good. About 2 psi different from the front. Alright, the front left one is at 30. So we'll see what this one's at now. It's been down for a day on the way. I didn't put the heat shields back on because we'll probably be back in there soon. 32. Alright, so I'm just going to check the lights, make sure the lights work. We'll start her up, warm her up, and take her for a quick spin down the road. Make sure I can get through all the gears all good, no crunching or anything like that. Make sure the engine sounds good while it's under load. Alright, just did a check of the headlights. This low beam is out and this fog light is out, plus the reverse lights. Hopefully it's just the globes. Hopefully it's not the sensor on the gearbox, because I was just in there. Anyways, start it up, warm it up, and we'll take it for a quick drive. Make sure all the gears are good. Also, now that we have the battery on, I can adjust the seat. That's better. Sounds a little tappety. It's gone away. It's getting better. No, it's not. Let's... Okay. Oh! Adjusting the mirrors. Good. Now that I don't have reverse lights, it's going to be hard to get out of the driveway. Got a couple of cars, one of our cars, parked at the end on the road, so hopefully it's alright. Alright, she's out. Give it a pump or something. Alright, let's go for a drive. Alright, we've got no water in the washer bottle, so I'm going to fill that up before we go. Let it warm up a bit more. Come on, water. Okay, washer bottle. Blocked or not working. You can hear the motor going. Great. Alright guys, we're out on the road now. Feels terrible. Brakes are alright. I think we've got a nice buckle. break those brakes in, really. Steering's good. Third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, sixth gear. Good. Second gear. Alright, gearbox feels good. I think the wheels are stuffed. Ooh, I can feel like the VTEC. Turn this one off. I don't know if that's annoying you guys. Oh yeah, 4,000. Can feel the cam change. Good. There's a bit of a whir. Clutch feels alright. Funny because this feels quicker than my Forester, my black one. Oh yeah, I got a vacuum cleaner in the back. Brakes feel good. I think it's, yeah. Brakes are good. I think it's that wheel, the buckled wheel. Gearbox feels good. Bushes have held up. That's good. I think it might be one of the pumps that's making some noise. I think it's power steering or the alternator. I think the alternator is making a bit of a sound. Yeah, what's going on with the washers? We've got a lot of water, so something's not right under there. There we have it, guys. First drive of the Spec B Liberty. Comment down below what you think I should do with it. Should I daily drive it? Needs a bit. I'll talk to the missus and see if she'll want to have it as a daily drive. It's got a tow bar so we can tow. But yeah. Alright, so I was just playing around with a few things and got a little bit more tech than my 2004, which is only a year earlier, XT Premium. Anyways, let me know what you think I should do. I know what I'm going to do, but what do you think I'm going to do? Alright guys, that's going to be it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. It was a bit of a shorter one. Just wanted to take you out for a drive in the Spec B Liberty that I had never driven before. So I've had it for 3 weeks and haven't driven it. So, bit of a gamble, but I think it's paid off. Gearbox feels good. Yeah, I know the front drive shafts boots are stuffed, so we'll have to get new drive shaft boots or new drive shafts. But all good. I'm pretty happy with it. Are you? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.